In the midst of this unbearable heat wave, the only thing that can keep me sane is my imagination. Actually, let's take a moment to dream with me. I want you to close your eyes. We are in December and we're outside, wrapped up in our cozy clothes, and we're sketching astonishing ruins in Gothic, Yorkshire. Well, what if I told you that all of these could actually be a dream coming true this very December 2026? Hello everyone, my name is Veronica, aka VESPERTILIU'S. I am an Italian comic book author, tarot and oracle deck creator, and your spooky art teacher.
It's me again, yours truly.
Yeah, you heard me correctly. Today I can finally announce that I am partnering with Go Tribe to bring to you a pen on paper drawing masterclass in the most whimsical guided trip to Gothic, Yorkshire. I'm getting so excited just saying this out loud finally. Those of you who have been following me for a while know that I have a series on this channel called the Draw With Me videos. I am beyond excited to say that we'll finally be drawing together for real. So today I'm going to tell you all about it. This video is going to be divided into two sections. In the first one, I'm going to walk you through the entire program for this guided trip to Gothic, Yorkshire. While in the second part of the video, I'm going to share with you the lessons you are going to experience in my pen on paper masterclass. I can barely contain my excitement, so without further ado, let's begin. So there we are. The link to the website, of course, is going to be in the description. I'm going to tell you all of the information about the masterclass in the second part, but I just want to disclose that this masterclass is designed for all skill levels. It doesn't matter if you're someone who's just started drawing or if you're a professional, this masterclass is for everyone. So let's dive into our guided trip. I'm so excited. On the first day, we are going to meet all together in Manchester. Since you all are from very different parts of the world, we really wanted to make this trip and masterclass accessible to everyone who could be interested. We managed to arrange a meetup in Manchester, the closest airport to our destinations. After the meetup, a private bus will carry us all to our first accommodation. We're going to have a welcome dinner all together, and then there's going to be the first masterclass lesson. The rooms are so cute and cozy, and there's, I believe, a maximum of 4 beds per room. There's also private bathrooms, so it is going to be just the coziest place to hang out all together. The second day is where the magic really begins, the magical York. Oh, I'm so excited just saying that. So after having breakfast all together, we're going to start our magical adventure with a guided walk of the Witches Walking Tour. Those of you who know me know how exciting this is for me. Yeah, we're going to go on the Witches and History tour and discover a wicked history of York. This tour is also available in Edinburgh and London. You know how much I love Edinburgh, and so I have a great feeling about York as well. We're going to explore York all together, and after the tour we're going to have a tea/coffee break, and we're going to start drawing. Cause yes, my darlings, I will be your nightmare. I already told our tour guide, Stephanie. Hi, Stephanie. I told her, listen, you don't have to worry about the other participants of this tour. You have to be worried about me, because I will be the one stopping everyone and be like, oh, that thing looks cool. Oh, that thing looks magical. Oh, that thing looks so gorgeously Gothic. We're going to stop, grab our sketchbooks, and start drawing. She very politely and wisely told me that she will be in charge of letting me know when we'll need to get going to not miss anything on this trip. Anyways, after our drawing session, we're going to be free to explore the Christmas markets. Oh my god, in this heat wave, the thought of Christmas markets is just soothing for my soul. We decided to include a Christmas art challenge. It's not going to be a competition, it's just going to be a challenge, but I'll tell you more there in York. After that, we'll have free time for dinner, so you can go wherever you want, or we can stay all together and have dinner somewhere inspiring. And after that, we'll meet again at the Astor Hostel for the second part of our drawing masterclass. Can it get more exciting than this? Oh guys, it certainly can. Because on day 3, I'm not okay. We're going to have breakfast, and then we're going to get our private coach and get transferred to Haworth, the hometown of the Bronte sisters. I told you this was a Gothic trip. We're going to get a guided tour of the Bronte personage. We're going to see the home of the Bronte sisters, and I'm going to give you a little spoiler. Let's all keep our finger crossed for this, okay? A little birdie told me that we might be able to see the Bronte sisters' drawings. I am not okay. After that, there's the Haworth Historical Walk-in Tour and Museum, and then we're going to explore, I'm so excited, the Haworth Cemetery. I have to tell you this because it is so funny to me. When we had our first call with Stephanie, she was so professional and wanted to make sure this trip had everything I could possibly desire. Under like must-haves, she had to put cemeteries. Let's see if we have a picture. Yes, oh my god. See, I'm going to be the problem of this trip because I'm going to stop at every single gravestone. And the thing is that you're gonna have a problem with me because if I'm drawing, you're drawing, we're all in this together. This is a draw with me in real life, and I'm going to take that hella seriously. After that, we're going to move from Haworth to Neboro. I don't know how to pronounce this. I apologize. However, this is another insanely gorgeous location. We're going to draw so much. After that, we're going to return to York. We have, again, free time for dinner, but then I'll be waiting you all at the Esther Hostel for our part 3 of the masterclass. Now, let's move to day 4 because it gets better and better. Oh my god. On day 4, we're going to check out and leave after breakfast for Whitby. I've been dreaming of going to Whitby since I was 18 years old, since I read Dracula by Bram Stoker for the very first time. For those of you who are not familiar with Whitby, this abbey was one of the major inspirations for Bram Stoker's Dracula, and some of the scenes of the book are actually set in this location. I am beyond excited to finally be able to visit, and to finally be able to visit purposely to draw. The idea of being able to share that with you all, you really can't understand my excitement. We're going to see Whitby Abbey's St. Mary's Church and the cemetery. I'm so sorry. When Stephanie told me about this tour, I thought you couldn't have found a more perfect tour for me. She managed to find the Whitby's Old Stories guided tour about Whitby folklore, myths, legend, and ghosts, all delivered in rhyme. Guys, this is literally a dream come true to me. I'm going to be obsessed. And of course, I'm going to be insufferable because I'm going to stop you every once in a while and I'm going to tell you, guys, it's time to draw. Let's bring out our sketchbooks and draw together. Right after that, we're going to take our private bus that is going to bring us to the Grimoire hideaways. We're going to check in and stay there. We're going to have dinner all together and then have our next drawing masterclass. I am beyond excited to share with you the Grimoire hideaways. These are the rooms we're going to stay in. This is such a dreamy, literally a dreamy place. I had no idea this place existed, and when Stephanie told me about it, my mind was blown, absolutely blown away. This is one of the most gorgeous places I've ever seen, and this is just where we're going to stay, because on our 5th day, we're going to explore the Grimoire Gardens. The Grimoire Gardens is basically this place in the midst of the Yorkshire woods where they built both a museum and an open-air museum with sculptures and art pieces all about the English folklore, myths and legends. We'll spend the day exploring Grimoire Gardens and Museum, sketchbook in hand, taking inspiration from its artistic spaces, natural surroundings and distinctive character. When I tell you I am beyond excited about this is the Grimoire Gardens. Here's more pictures. I think this is going to be one of the most surprising places we're going to visit. I know nothing about this place and I'm going to really resist the urge to look everything up because I really want to enjoy fully that experience. Let's also take a look at the GRIMOIRE Museum. On this day, both brunch and dinner are included. We're going to be immersed in the GRIMOIRE gardens, and then we're going to have our final drawing masterclass. After that, on day 6, our private coach will transfer us back to Manchester. Those who don't have a flight that day are free to continue their itinerary from York or join us in Manchester. Oh, I'm just reading this for the first time. We live with new skills, fresh inspiration, and a sketchbook full of memories from an unforgettable creative journey. Oh my God, this is for me as well. This is not just for you, this is for me as well. Because I've never visited those places. Those were dream destinations of mine for so long. The thought of being able to share all of this with you, it's just unbelievably exciting. Let me embody my most professional self for a second so that I can tell you all of the things that are included in the trip. We have our 2 leaders, which is me and Stephanie. Then we have the guided drawing masterclass, all the activities and entrance tickets listed in the itinerary, York bus tickets, the private bus, the 5 nights accommodations, 3 nights at the Astor Hostel in York and 2 nights at the GRIMOIRE Hideaways, 3 breakfasts, 1 brunch and 3 dinners. And then of course there's going to be a special surprise travel souvenir that I can't reveal yet, but it's going to be pretty exciting. You can check everything about our Go Tribe trip at the link in the description. You have until the first week of September to reserve your spot. I would love to see you there. The spots are limited, so if you're interested, make sure to reserve your place for our art trip. I hope I'll see you there. Once again, everything is linked down below, and if I forgot to touch on something, you'll get every single information at the link in the description. Now, without further ado, let's talk about the masterclass. Those of you who've been following me for a while know that I have been to Edinburgh a couple of times before. The first time I came back with so much inspiration that I was able to turn all of my sketches into the scenery for my award-winning graphic novel. This second time, I came back with even more inspiration. I love going around and visit inspiring places, draw while I'm sitting there and just collect inspiration. It's not just about all of the Gothic ruins. I also really love to sketch when I am resting at my hostel and I notice an interesting detail. I've kept drawing and taking inspiration from my surroundings while traveling through Italy this year. And I'm still traveling through Italy because, as you know, I'm a comic artist, and right now I am attending a lot of comic conventions. In my trips, I've kept drawing and taking inspiration from the places I've been visiting. And I believe I can confidently say this has become one of my absolute favorite ways to express my creativity. So this is going to be part of the main focus of this drawing masterclass. The masterclass is about drawing pen on paper, and we're going to focus on drawing outside and taking inspiration from inspiring surroundings. And what better place than Gothic Yorkshire? Just to start, I'm now going to walk you through all of the lessons of our masterclass. So the first one is going to be an introduction to imperfectionism. Yeah, you heard me correctly, imperfectionism. As you know, I strongly advocate for the power of imperfection, the power of befriending our mistakes. And on our first night, we're going to talk all together about the importance of being an imperfectionist as an artist. We're going to have a very fun exercise. I'm not going to spoil it for you. We're going to really challenge ourselves to befriend our mistakes, to befriend imperfectionism. And while doing that, I hope we also befriend each other. Then on the second evening, the second lesson is going to be a bit more technical. We're going to talk about perspective and volumes. Now, I want to be abundantly clear about this. These are lessons designed for all skill levels. Not only that, I will be giving you all of the tips and tricks, and I'm going to talk about these topics with you all, but at any moment during this trip, please feel free to tap on my shoulder and ask me for advice. Of course, you can come to me and be like, hey, I didn't understand this part of the lesson last night. Can you tell me more about it? Of course I will. Those lessons are for everyone from level 0 to professionals to help you develop new skills and get more confident with your art. With that said, on the third evening, we're going to talk about values, how to work with lights and shadows, and also how to use that in composition. On the fourth evening, we're going to have our hatching practice. I'm going to walk you through few hatching techniques, practice together, and of course, once again, you can come to me, we can talk one-on-one. And lastly, on the 5th night, we're going to have a more playful time with our art. We thought it could be very fun and exciting, and also a loving way to say goodbye and give each other a fun little memory of our time drawing all together. So just to go once again through all of the lessons, first one is Introduction to Imperfectionism. Second one is Perspective and Volumes. Third one is Values and Composition. Fourth one is Hatching Practice. And the fifth one is going to be our last playful artistic night altogether. With that said, I want to add that despite all of these very technical lessons, the main focus, the most important goal for me is to unblock and unlock your inner artist. And whether you are a beginner or a professional, my goal for this masterclass is to really give you an injection of confidence, to really make you embrace your artistic practice, befriend imperfection, befriend your mistakes, and let you enjoy your drawing time in the fullest, most fulfilling way, always. So that is going to be my pen on paper drawing masterclass with GOTHIC. And with that said, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you are as excited as I am for this trip. I hope I'll be able to see as many of you as possible. This trip is open to everyone worldwide. We are going to meet in Manchester, and then we're going to explore together Gothic, Yorkshire, and most importantly, we're going to draw a lot. We're going to draw a lot from the 1st to the 9th of December. So it's Christmas time, of course. You have until 60 days before our departure to reserve your spot. Spots are limited, so make sure to get yours if you want to join, and I'd love to see you there. I really would love to see you there. I'm so excited for this. You can find all of the other informations at the link in the description. I think that's it. I think I talked about everything. With that said, thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you very soon with more art videos. In the meantime, let's make art. Bye.